What's up, everybody? This is Diego with Lit Up Designs. Today I have a TV. It is, let's see if you can see here. Okay, I mean, I don't know if you can see it or not, anyway. It is a Funai model LF320FX4F. It's a 32-inch LED. I bought it off of some person on Craigslist. So basically, the TV doesn't turn on. They actually tried fixing it themselves. I had to order some ribbons for it. But TV doesn't turn on. It flashes 17 times. And nothing. So I've been messing with it for a while already. So I just wanted to kind of record some of this. So I got the TV actually halfway taken apart right now. And here's the LCD. I already took off the frame and everything. Just taking out the aluminum parts of this. And it's not much. This process is to get behind to the LEDs. I have narrowed it down to the LEDs, even though I'm not 100% certain. Reason being is when I turned it on, I saw a little flicker, right? And the actual logo comes out saying Funai, but you can't see it because the LEDs aren't on. I use my flashlight on my phone to see that it actually turns on. So it'll turn on and then it'll say video 1 at the top, meaning that it turned on. But I guess for some reason the TV doesn't detect that the LEDs are on, so it'll turn the TV back off, and then you'll have the red light, and then you push the power button again 17 times again. Same thing cycles. So I'm gonna see if we can take this LCD off, take everything, kind of take it apart. I could really care less if I break this TV. I mean, it's whatever. If I fix it, I fix it. If not, whatever. So I'm taking the T-con off from the bottom first. And we're gonna put this LCD somewhere where we don't mess with it. I know y'all can't see, but just bear with me. All I'm doing is taking this plastic off of this T-con. Come on, dude. There we go. So there's just little plastic handles here by the LCD that I gotta undo, and then after that your T-con, not the T-con, but this where the LCD produces the pictures, it will be loose, and slowly grab it by the corners and make your way around to the middle. Slowly go up. Make sure you got a good grasp of the LCD and don't let it drop or anything. Do not lay it with the boards down, because then you'll mess up your contacts. So here we have the white paneling, I guess. I don't want to break anything. Well, this isn't too hard. It's fairly easy. Not hard at all. The reason why I'm taking this off is because I want to see if there's all the LEDs come on, or if there's a short that I can probably fix. Unfortunately, the only way to know is if you actually, oh crap, broke a little plastic piece off of this junk. The only way to know is if you actually take it off or visually inspect it yourself. So you have one LED strip here. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 LEDs. Cool, right? Real quick, I'm just gonna look under this white sheet just to make sure there's nothing destroyed or anything like that on the LEDs. See if I can see a board. Man, these allergies. Come on, man. Seriously? Take this garbage off. Awesome. And so I don't see anything messed up, but let's see here. Let's power it on, see how it looks. I know it's not going to turn on completely, but I just need just a little bit of power, so hold on 1 second, guys. Ooh, that was pretty short. Here's my power. Let's try it again. Power. Those lit up. Those lit up. It's hard to tell. Ah, I found one. Let's try this again. I think I found two. Yep, these two right here. Try this again. Those are good. That's good. 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 So it's these two right here that failed. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna show you one more time. See those? Yeah. So we found a culprit here. Let me unplug this before I get shocked. So there's two of them that did not start. Let's pull this sheet out. Hopefully I know how to put this back together, because I don't really care how I'm taking it apart. So, let's see if we can trace here where it goes. Stand by. These two right here are the ones that are not working. And let me see if I can put some light on here. Perfect. Looks like that series follows this one, which feeds that one. The other thing that I'm thinking about is maybe trying to replace it. Solder a new one in there. Alright. There it is. I see it burnt. Awesome. Let me show you real quick. It is very hard to see, but it is burnt. Give me a second here. See if I can bring it out in a bit. That's not gonna let me. I'll have to figure out how to fix this. But that's the problem right there. The other ones look good. This one looks good, but this contact right here looks bad. So yeah, stick around for more, I guess. Alright, y'all take care.